we are here in Porto today for a road trip around the north of Portugal and visiting some of the most beautiful areas of my country.
I'm really happy to share this event with you because first time I go on the road with this model. This model is Zero.
For me, it's a nice way to discover the north of Portugal, the culture, the landscapes, and we have some nice stops who are planned.
By having the chance of looking into it from an eco-friendly point of view with electric bikes and electric cars, it also adds to the excitement to say how tourism can be done sustainably and yet with a lot of fun.